真正的谣言和流言都是从这里面出来的，而真正发生的事情的时候，他们从来都是把这个东西说成是谣言。所以说这是一个完全混淆是非的一个地方。不管中共把这些名字叫得多么好听，多么的正义，但他们做的事情从来都不是一个正义的事情。
而且我们要看清的是，他一直在说我们是弱势群体 ，OK， 我们是少数族裔，我们语言不同，所以我们需要这样的资金的介入和支持，我们需要帮助这些人啊，我们要争取更多的权利啊。那这个是什么？是共产主义者的一个策略。那我们来看一下1969年的一个老电影，是黑白色的电影。那这个电影呢，其实是个纪实的一堂课。上课的这个人呢叫 Edward Griffin， 他是一个美国非常有名的反共作家。那他在1969年的时候呢，就给他的一帮学生上课，告诉他们什么叫共产主义，而且共产主义它是怎么样要分裂和夺取美国的。我们来听一下这堂课好不好？
As early as 1928, the communists declared that the racial differences among our people constituted the weakest and most vulnerable point in our social fabric. By constantly probing and straining at this one spot, they calculated that eventually the cloth could be torn apart and that Americans could be divided, weakened, and perhaps even set against each other in open combat. They said in no unmistakable terms that the Negro people, because of their secondary social status and their predominant working class composition, offered greater revolutionary possibilities than any other cross-section of the population. To develop these possibilities, the communists proclaimed that the American Negro constituted a separate nation within a nation, a colony within the continental borders of the United States. The people of this nation were said to be oppressed and exploited by colonialist, imperialist, racist America. Consequently, the Communist Party called for their liberation, their right to self-determination, to break away from the United States and to set up their own nation within our borders. Now, to bring this about, of course, force and violence must be used. A war of national liberation must be fought. The territory designated for this nation to be liberated was the Black Belt in the South, those counties and states in which the Negro population was dominant. When established, the new nation was to have a Soviet-type government and be totally subservient to the Communist Party.